The demand for quality bedroom nightlights has surged as more people strive for comfort during evening routines. From parents soothing children to gamers and typists seeking low-glow lighting that reduces eye strain. Just as professionals choose the right peripherals for peak performance, choosing the right nightlight means evaluating switch type, build quality, lighting layout, and overall value. This guide reviews top options to help you find the perfect blend of function and comfort. Product number 1. GE LED Nightlight. The GE LED Nightlight is a solid choice for anyone seeking a simple, reliable lighting solution for bedrooms, hallways, or nurseries. GE has a long-standing reputation for producing dependable lighting products, and this nightlight continues that tradition with straightforward performance and minimal fuss. This LED unit plugs directly into standard wall outlets and uses energy-efficient LED technology to produce a soft, comforting glow. The light output is warm and subtle, not harsh or glaring, which makes it ideal for nighttime visibility without disrupting sleep. Whether you're checking on a sleeping child or navigating dark hallways, this model offers just enough light to guide your way. The design is compact and unobtrusive, so it won't block neighboring outlets or look out of place against modern decor. Its build quality feels solid and durable, meaning it can withstand daily use without concerns of frequent replacements. One standout feature is its auto on-off sensor, which detects darkness and turns the light on automatically at night and off during the day. This smart feature enhances convenience and saves on energy costs over time. Overall, the GE LED Nightlight delivers reliable performance at a budget-friendly price point. It's a no-nonsense option that excels in everyday practicality for bedrooms and common areas alike. Product number 2. LOLHOS LED Nightlights Plug-into-Wall 2-Pack. The LOLHOS LED Nightlights Plug-into-Wall 2-Pack is an excellent value-oriented choice that brings convenience and versatility to your bedroom lighting setup. Sold as a duo, this pack offers immediate coverage for multiple spots in your home, ideal for parents, hallways, or guest rooms. Each nightlight features an LED bulb that emits a gentle, warm glow, perfect for nighttime visibility without causing eye strain. The LEDs are highly energy efficient, meaning you can keep them running all night without worrying about a spike in your electricity bill. The intensity is balanced, bright enough to see clearly, yet subtle enough to maintain a restful sleeping environment. Installation is effortless. Simply plug the light into any standard outlet. The compact profile ensures it won't block adjacent sockets or look bulky once installed. These nightlights also include an auto dusk-to-dawn sensor, so they operate only when needed, further enhancing energy savings. Build quality is reassuring for the price range, with durable construction that holds up well over time. The 2-pack format adds value, allowing you to light more than one space without buying multiple individual units. Product number 3. Oxmere LED Nightlight Bedside Touch. The Oxmere LED Nightlight Bedside Touch offers a more modern, multifunctional approach to bedroom night lighting. Rather than a simple plug-in unit, this model combines ambient lighting with intuitive control and style, perfect for bedside tables or reading nooks. This nightlight features a touch-activated interface that allows you to easily adjust brightness levels to suit different needs. Whether you want a soft glow for sleep or a brighter setting for reading or late-night tasks, the touch control makes it quick and seamless. The LED panel emits a warm, eye-friendly light that enhances relaxation and comfort. The design is sleek and contemporary, with a compact form that sits neatly on surfaces without taking up much space. Its build quality is solid, with smooth finishes and reliable components that feel durable through daily use. The lamp also includes multiple brightness settings, allowing for customization depending on your preference and time of night. For those who want more control, adjustable lighting levels, and a stylish bedside companion, the Oxmere LED Nightlight Bedside Touch brings both functionality and aesthetic appeal to bedroom lighting. Product number 4. GE LED Nightlight, second entry. The GE LED Nightlight, second entry, reinforces why GE continues to be a dependable name in home lighting products. Much like the earlier model, this unit focuses on providing consistent, energy-efficient illumination with a compact, user-friendly design. Using advanced LED technology, this nightlight produces a subtle, warm glow that's perfect for bedrooms, closets, or hallways. Its light output is designed to be gentle on the eyes, helping you see just enough to avoid stubbing toes or fumbling in the dark without interfering with your sleep cycle. The LEDs also ensure long lifespan and low energy consumption, a smart choice for overnight use. A built-in dusk-to-dawn sensor adds automatic functionality, switching on at night and off during daylight hours. This convenience means you don't have to remember to plug in or operate a switch, ideal for effortless use. The unit's slim profile ensures it blends into your space without obstructing other outlets or looking bulky. GE's consistent manufacturing quality means this version feels sturdy and reliable, even with frequent nightly operation. While this model doesn't offer adjustable brightness or smart features, it excels at what it's meant to do: provide simple, dependable nighttime illumination. If you prefer a straightforward solution without extras, this GE LED nightlight is a strong candidate for bedrooms of any size. Product number 5. LOHAS LED Nightlight Plug-in. The LOHAS LED Nightlight Plug-in is another strong offering from LOHAS that emphasizes simplicity, reliability, and value. This model is designed for users who want an effective nightlight without complicated features or bulky accessories. Just plug it in and go. This unit emits a warm LED glow that's perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or hallways. The light level is balanced to be bright enough for navigation, yet gentle enough to promote a restful sleep environment. The energy-efficient LED design keeps operating costs low and ensures a long service life. Like many effective nightlights, it features an auto-on dusk-to-dawn sensor, so it turns itself on only when ambient light drops, conserving energy and eliminating the need to manually operate a switch. The compact form factor won't block adjacent outlets, an important consideration when bedroom outlets are shared with chargers or lamps. LOHAS products are known for their budget-friendly quality, and this plug-in model continues that tradition. Its build feels solid for the price category, and the straightforward design makes it a practical choice for everyday household use. While it lacks advanced features like adjustable brightness or USB power, it delivers trusted performance, low maintenance, and excellent energy efficiency.